Alhamdulillahi wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Walladhi jaa'a bis-sidqi wa saddaqa bihi. Sadaqallahu al-azim. Bi barakatihi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Respected judges and audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic which has been given to me is to define the role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu during his time as Caliphate in Medina. The city of Medina became the destiny of the great kings and great emperors. But the stability that the state of Medina got in the Caliphate of Abdul Bashar, Ba'd al-Anbiya, Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu, is not in the fortune of anyone else. Human beings are born and perish, states are formed and destroyed, empires come and go, but some individuals are not born to perish. Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu was Caliph for just over 2 years, but faced some of the biggest challenges that Islam had ever faced. During his time as Caliphate, Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu was first of the men who expanded the construction of Masjid Nabawi. At that time, many great tribes announced that they will not pay zakat. And Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu responded by saying that I will declare war against those who refuse to pay. At that time, many great sahabis, such as Sayyidina Umar radiyallahu anhu, came to Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu and said that, Ya Abu Bakr, maybe we should leave this for now and focus on other matters. But look at the reply of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu. What he says? He says that, Ya Umar, haven't you listened that what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Quran? وَإِن تَتَوَلَّوْا يَسْتَبْدِلْ قَوْمًا غَيْرَكُمْ. That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is free of need, but you are the needy. And if you turn away, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will replace you with anyone else. And he said that I will declare war against those, even those who refuse to pay amount equal to a piece of rope. This incident shows that what a great role and character of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu was during his time as Caliphate. And then came the incident of Khatm Nabuwah. A man called Musalma Kadhab claimed prophecy. And there's a point to focus on here. That Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu said to all the Muslims, even those who had been retired by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he says that you, all of you, fight with me against the kafirin. And do you know who won the battle? And alhamdulillah, Muslims are victorious in battle. This incident again shows that what a great role and character of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu was during his time as Caliphate. The steadfastness and great courage of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu, that within such a small time, he accelerated and elevated the name of Islam. What was the reason for that? This was all because of the love for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the Sunnah. And if we Muslims want this love for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so we should try to attain this love by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And undoubtedly, that state is the first state established on Kalima Tawheed, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, which we remember at the state of Medina. So, we should try to attain the love by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam through Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the steadfastness and the courage of Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu anhu. Ameen.